In this video, I'll show you how to change your payment method on the Bolt app, and I'll walk you through two different ways to do it. The first method is by changing your payment method when scheduling a ride, and the second is by setting a new default payment method in the app. So, let's start by booking a ride. Once you've filled in the ride details, you'll be prompted to select a payment method. You'll see available options such as Apple Pay Cash, or you can click the plus icon to add a new method like PayPal, debit card, or credit card. If you've applied a promo code to your account, it will also appear as a payment option. Simply click the method you'd like to use, and it will be applied to the ride. Just like that, you're ready to go. Now, to set a default payment method, head back to the home screen, tap the three lines in the top left corner, and go to Payment. Here, you can manage your current methods, add new ones, or even top up your Bolt balance and use it to pay for rides. Just select the option you want to use as your default, and you're all set. I hope this video helped you. Please like, subscribe,